explorers, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let us begin with the chapter number 2 of grammar, and the name of the chapter is determiners. So what are determiners? Let us read this chapter and find it out. So words that come before nouns are called as determiners. तो ऐसे वर्ड्स जो कि नाउन से पहले यूज किए जाते हैं उन्हें कहा जाता है डिटर्मिनर, राइट? मैनी कैन बी यूज्ड एज प्रोनाउंस विदाउट अ फॉलोइंग नाउन। इनमें से बहुत सारे ऐसे हैं जो कि प्रोनाउंस की तरह यूज किए जा सकते हैं विदाउट अ फॉलोइंग नाउन, राइट? सम डिटर्मिनर्स कैन कंबाइन विद ईच अदर। अब कुछ डिटर्मिनर्स ऐसे भी हैं जो कि आपस में कंबाइन किए जा सकते हैं. So now we have a very first topic which says kinds of determinants. तो अब हम पढ़ेंगे kinds of determinants के बारे में. So let us read articles a, an or the. Possessive determiners my, your, his, her, its, are, their. Demonstrative determiners this, that, these and those. Next are the quantified determiners or quantifiers. So relating to plural nouns which says a few, fewer, many, several, both, right? उसी के बाद आते हैं relating to plural or uncountable nouns. That is all, some, none of, enough, a lot of, more, most or plenty of. Relating to uncountable nouns, little, much, less. Relating to singular countable nouns, another, every, each, one of, either, neither. They are also known as the distributive determiners. Relating to singular, plural or uncountable nouns that are any, have or no. Other determiners, only, other, such. Numbers that are cardinal, ordinal, fractions or multipliers. Interrogative determiners, what, which or whose, right? So ये थे हमारे kinds of kinds of determiners, right? So the very first kind we have been described over here is the articles. So let us read about them in detail now. In English language, there are 3 words used as articles. English language में total 3 words होते हैं जिन्हें हम articles की तरह use कर सकते हैं. They belong to 2 classes, indefinite articles a and an and definite articles the. English language में total 3 words होते हैं जिन्हें हम articles की तरह use करते हैं, वो भी 2 अलग-अलग categories में divide किए गए हैं. The very first kind is the indefinite articles जिसमें हम a और an का use करते हैं, और second है हमारे definite articles जिसके लिए हम the का use करते हैं, right? Moving ahead, a and an are indefinite articles as they refer to a noun in an indefinite manner. कि a और an जो है वो indefinite articles हैं क्योंकि वो refer करते हैं एक noun को in an indefinite manner, कि वो अलग तरीके से noun को refer करते हैं, right? जिसमें कि हम sure नहीं हो पाते हैं. For examples, a pen means any pen. ये pen का मतलब कोई भी pen हो सकता है. We are not particular about that kind of a pen. A box means any box. An elephant means any elephant, right? The is the article because it refers to a noun in a definite manner. कि the जो है वो एक definite article माना जाता है क्योंकि ये रेफर करता है एक नाउन को जो कि डेफिनेट मैनर में है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द गर्ल इज प्लेइंग वीडियो गेम. कि जो गर्ल है वो एक्चुअली वीडियो गेम खेल रही है, राइट? In this sentence, the girl is a particular girl who has already been spoken of. कि इस सेंटेंस में हम जिस गर्ल की बात कर रहे हैं वो एक पर्टिकुलर गर्ल है जिसके बारे में हम पहले भी बात कर चुके हैं, राइट? तो use of a or an. A or an refers to any other person or thing. कि a और an जो है वो किसी भी person या फिर thing को रेफर कर सकता है. They are also used to tell that a noun is singular. ये इसलिए भी यूज किए जाते हैं ताकि वो हमें बता सके कि जो नाउन है वो एक्चुअली सिंगुलर है, राइट? अ डॉग बार्क्स, दिस मीन्स एनी डॉग कैन बार्क. आई हैव अ कैट, दिस मीन्स आई हैव वन कैट, राइट? The use of a or an depends on the pronunciation of the following noun and not on the spelling. ये जो यूज है ए और एन का, ये डिपेंड करता है प्रोनाउंसिएशन पे, जो भी नाउन की हम बात कर रहे हैं, बट नॉट द स्पेलिंग. स्पेलिंग पर ध्यान नहीं दिया जाता है. We use an when the sound starts with a vowel. कि हम एन का यूज तब करते हैं जब उसकी जो साउंड है वो वोवल साउंड दे रही हो, जैसे कि an aeroplane, an ice cube, an object, an owl, an SOS, an eco-friendly bus, an MLA, or an orange, right? Next, we have the use of an with a noun starting with a vowel sound is especially true when the word has a silent H sound. कि यूज ऑफ एन जो है वो नाउन के साथ ही स्टार्ट किया जाता है विद वोवल साउंड, स्पेशली जब जो वर्ड है जो वो साइलेंट हो, जैसे कि एच हमेशा साइलेंट होता है कुछ साउंड्स में. फॉर एग्जाम्पल एन ऑनर, एन आर, एन हायरस एंड honest boy, right? We use a when the noun begins with a consonant sound. कि हम a का यूज तब करते हैं जब जो वर्ड है वो एक कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड से शुरू किया जा रहा हो, जैसे कि a European, a university, a UFO, a hospital, a one-stop center, a uniform, or a unique story, right? Now, here we have some points to remember. Let us read them. So they say, we do not use an article with proper nouns such as the names of people, people, animals, roads, schools, games, or day of the weeks or months of the year. कि हम एक आर्टिकल का यूज कभी भी प्रॉपर नाउन्स के साथ नहीं कर सकते हैं. किसी भी प्रॉपर जगह का नाम होगा तो हम उसके साथ ए या एन का यूज नहीं करेंगे, राइट? जैसे कि शुभम अटेंड्स मॉडल स्कूल, आई प्ले क्रिकेट ऑन संडे. सो व्हेन एन आर्टिकल इज यूज्ड बिफोर अ प्रॉपर नाउन इट बिकम्स अ कॉमन नाउन. कि अगर हम किसी प्रॉपर नाउन के पीछे आर्टिकल यानी कि ए या एन का यूज करेंगे तो वो भी एक कॉमन नाउन बन जाएगा, राइट? फॉर एग्जाम्पल सचिन इज द ब्रैडमैन ऑफ इंडिया. So, a player of Bradman's caliber. He is a Malhotra, a member of Malhotra family, right? Now, next we do not use articles. हम articles कहाँ use नहीं कर सकते हैं. So, when a noun is used in general sense and stands for its class, right? कि जब हम एक नाउन को जनरल सेंस में यूज कर रहे हो और उसकी क्लास के लिए उसे रेफर कर रहे हो, जैसे कि विमेन इज गॉड्स बेस्ट क्रिएशन. सो हियर विमेन इज यूज्ड इन जनरल सेंस, राइट? मैन इज मॉर्टल. हियर मैन इज यूज्ड in general sense and represents whole class, right? Next, before the names of meals. So, अब यहाँ पर meals के नाम से पहले, yeah, right? Example, we have dinner at 8. He specially invited me to lunch. right? Moving ahead. Before languages, languages से पहले भी हम आर्टिकल्स को यूज नहीं कर सकते हैं, जैसे कि उर्दू is not difficult to learn. Mandarin is spoken by most people in the world, right? उसी के बाद before names of relations like father, mother, uncle, grandfather, etc. right? ये रिलेशन से पहले जैसे कि मदर, फादर, अंकल, ग्रैंडफादर, इन सभी से पहले हम आर्टिकल प्लेस नहीं करते हैं, जैसे कि फादर इज गोइंग टू नेपाल tomorrow. Sister goes to market to buy fruit, right? उसी के बाद before abstract nouns used in general sense. कि अब ये जो abstract nouns हैं ये general sense में use किए जाएं. So honesty pays in the long run. Truth always triumphs, right? Before names of materials. कि materials के नाम से पहले. They are coal and petroleum are fossil fuels. Gold is a precious metal, right? Next, before nouns in pairs. अब जो nouns pairs में हैं उनसे पहले, so it says rotation of earth causes day and night. Rice and curry is my favorite dish, right? Next, we have before nouns of unique positions. For example, she was promoted as principal of the college. He was elected secretary of the union. After that, in certain phrases consisting a transitive verb or preposition followed by its object. And the examples are to give ear, to set foot, to catch fire, to send word, at office, to lose heart. On request, at night, by day, by name, at ease, right? So, ऐसे phrases जिसमें एक transitive verb हो या फिर वो किसी preposition के साथ हो जिसमें एक object भी हो, right? वहां पर भी हम किसी article को use नहीं करते हैं. Before home, church, prison, bed, school, work, sea and town. वहीं पर भी हम article use नहीं करते हैं. And the examples are, she is at home. We go to temple to pray. He was admitted in hospital. The robber was taken to prison. They go to bed to sleep. Students go to school every day. He is not back from office yet. Tailors go to sea at an early age. We were in the city last Monday. We go to mall sometimes to buy dresses, right? So now let us read the points to remember. So if the places mentioned above are visited or used for other reasons, the is necessary. कि अगर इनमें से कोई भी प्लेस ऐसी है जहां हम पहले विजिट कर चुके हैं या फिर किसी और रीजन से हम उनके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, तब हम द का यूज करेंगे. जैसे कि I went to the church to see the stained glass. He goes to the prison sometimes to give lectures. In Kashmir, we lived near the lake. For some years, this was the home of your boss, right? Moving ahead, now we have the possessive determiners. Now, what are these possessive determiners? So, the determiners, my, your, his, her, its, are, their is known as possessive determinants. They are like adjectives because they are always followed by a noun. तो हमारे जो ये determiners हैं, my, his, her and so on, ये सभी possessive determiners हैं। यानी कि जब हम किन्हीं दो ऑब्जेक्ट्स के बीच में कोई रिलेशनशिप दिखा रहे हो, right? When we have to say or we have to declare that this pen belongs to me. That means this pen is mine. So here mine becomes the possessive determiner. यानी कि जब दो चीजों के बीच में रिश्ता दिखाया जाए तब उसे कहा जाता है possessive. तो ये बिल्कुल एडजेक्टिव्स की तरह ही होते हैं बिकॉज दे आर ऑलवेज फॉलोड बाय अ नाउन, क्योंकि ये हमेशा नाउन के साथ ही लिखे जाते हैं, राइट? Study the sentences given below. The words in italics are the possessive determiners and the words in color print are nouns. तो अब ये जो sentences हैं जो नीचे दिए गए हैं, इनमें कुछ words हैं जो कि italics में है, वो हमारे possessive determiners हैं, और जो colored prints में है वो हमारे nouns हैं. So Rahul is in his study room. I can't find my bag. Dad, your dinner is in the microwave. Miss Meena left her purse at school. The kettle has lost its spout. Jack and I have finished our homework. Children, open your Hindi book at page 55. Ajay and Manav always do their homework as soon as they get home. Right? Now, next thing that we have is some points to remember. Let's read them. So the words mine, yours, his, hers, ours, and theirs are used as possessive pronouns. ये जितने भी words हैं, ये सभी use किए जाते हैं possessive pronouns की तरह. The possessive, is not generally used as a pronoun. It is used only as a determiner. As the cat carried its kittens into the garden, right? कि जो possessive its है वो generally pronoun की तरह use किया जाता है, right? It is used only as a determiner. कि इसे हम determiner की तरह ही use करते हैं, ना कि pronouns की तरह. So the cat carried its kittens into the garden, right? So next up we have the demonstrative determiners. So let's see what are the demonstrative determiners. So the determiners, this, that, these, and those are showing words. We use them before nouns to represent which thing or person we need. So determiners, this, that, these, those, ये सभी showing words हैं, right? हम इन्हें use करते हैं noun से पहले जो represent करते हैं thing को या फिर person को, right? They are known as demonstrative determiners. और हम इन्हें demonstrative determiners के नाम से जानते हैं. We use this and these before singular nouns and we use these and those before plural nouns. कि हम this और these को use करते हैं singular nouns के साथ और these और those को use करते हैं plural nouns के साथ. We use this and these if we point to or talk about things near to us. कि this और these का use तब किया जाता है जब हम उन चीजों को रेफर करें जो हमारे बहुत ज्यादा पास होती है. और we use that and those if we point out or talk about things further away. कि हम यूज करते हैं that और those का अगर हम point करें to को या फिर बात करें things further away, right? जो कि हमसे बहुत ज्यादा दूर हो. Example: There are plants on this side of the road but no plants on that side. Can you tell me the cost of that book in the top shelf? Those black grapes look nice, but these green ones taste better. Look at these strange little insects, right? Next, we have points to remember. Let's read them. So the pronouns one and ones are often used after the demonstrative determiners. The hearer or reader knows what the noun speaker or writer is referring to. कि pronouns जो है one और ones वो कभी कभी demonstrative determiners की तरह भी यूज किया जाता है क्योंकि हमें पता होता है कि जो noun है वो actually किसको रेफर कर रही है. Right? That melon is too small. I will take this one, please. Next, those shirts are smarter, but these ones fit me better. Right? After that, we have the next thing, which is quantifying determiners or quantifiers. Ab next topic hai quantifiers. Let's read about them now. So quantifiers represent about what amount or quantity. Some general examples of quantifiers are. तो quantifiers जो है वो represent करते हैं amount को या फिर quantity को. और कुछ जनरल एग्जाम्पल्स क्वांटिफायर्स के हैं सम, एनी, मोर, फ्यू, लिटिल, मच, सेवरल, मेनी और नो. सो स्टडी द क्वांटिफायर्स इन द सेंटेंसेस गिवन बिलो. तो जल्दी से इन क्वांटिफायर्स को पढ़ते हैं जो कि हमें नीचे दिए हुए हैं. हैव सम कॉफी. I can't find any pencil in the drawer. You have made several faults. Many people would follow us, right? There's a very little milk left. Have you enough color? Most students keep a cell phone. How much tea is left? So now we have again a box to remember. Let's read it. So here they say we use many with countable nouns and much with uncountable. तो हम यूजुअली many और much nouns में कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं कि कौन सा किसके साथ यूज करना है. तो यहाँ पर हमें पता चलता है कि many जो है वो यूज किया जाता है countable nouns के साथ और much यूज किया जाता है uncountable nouns के साथ. वहीं we use some and any with both countable and uncountable nouns. कि हम कभी कभी सम और एनी का यूज करते हैं दोनों के साथ विद काउंटेबल एज वेल एज दी अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स. वी यूज एनी आफ्टर नॉट एंड अदर नेगेटिव वर्ड्स एज वेल एज इन क्वेश्चंस. सो हम एनी को नॉट के बाद भी यूज करते हैं द अदर नेगेटिव वर्ड्स एज वेल एज इन क्वेश्चंस. वी यूज some in questions where the answer yes is expected as well as in offers and requests. तो हम कुछ questions पूछते हैं जिसमें answer yes expected होता है और कभी-कभी कुछ offers और requests में भी, right? So some quantifying determiners consist of more than one word. अब कुछ quantifiers डिटर्मिनर्स ऐसे होते हैं जिसमें एक से ज्यादा क्वांटिफाइंग वर्ड्स यूज किए जाते हैं. दे हैव अ फ्यू लेटर्स टू रीड. टेक अ लिटिल फूड इवन दो यू हैव नो एपेटाइट. राइट? नेक्स्ट, सम क्वांटिफाइंग एक्सप्रेशंस कंसिस्ट ऑफ अ क्वांटिफायर प्लस ऑफ. एज कि क्वांटिफायर एक्सप्रेशंस कुछ कंसिस्ट करते हैं क्वांटिफायर प्लस ऑफ. जैसे कि वी हैव मेड लॉट्स ऑफ पॉइंट्स. You have got lots of rice. I had a number of reasons for denying. There is plenty of ink in the printer. Next, when we put a quantifier before an identifier, such as the, this, my, we often need to use of between the two types of determinant. कि जब भी हम एक क्वांटिफायर प्लेस करते हैं एक आइडेंटिफायर से पहले, तब हमें द, दिस, माय हम ऑफन यूज करते हैं ऑफ के साथ बिटवीन द टू टाइप्स ऑफ डिटर्मिनर्स. जैसे कि some of the girls are missing. I have invited most of my classmates. Much of this trouble could have been avoided. I don't need any of your notes. We don't eat enough of those oranges, right? Next, we can leave out the noun after most quantifying determiners. If it is clear what a noun they refer to, this means that we are using the determiners as a pronoun. कि हम कभी कभी उन नाउन्स को छोड़ देते हैं जब उसमें बहुत सारे क्वांटिफाइंग डिटर्मिनर्स यूज करते हैं, तब हम क्लियर हो जाते हैं कि हम किस नाउन को रेफर कर रहे हैं, और तब हम डिटर्मिनर नहीं बल्कि प्रोनाउन को यूज कर रहे होते हैं, राइट? जैसे कि वुड यू लाइक सम डेजर्ट? देयर इज अ प्लेंटी. यस, I'd love some. There should be enough toothpaste in that tube. Hence, I've already used a little, right? Next, the combination quantifier plus of can be followed by a pronoun. अब एक combination quantifier plus अगर allow किया plus of use किया जा सकता है pronoun के बाद भी. Note that we use the object from the personal pronouns, कि हम object को use करते हैं personal pronouns में से, जैसे कि some of us left suddenly. One of you may follow me. Several of you have asked for a meeting. There are so many rules. A lot of them are not necessary. Right? उसी के बाद हम आते हैं quantifiers and their possible use. अब quantifiers और उनके क्या क्या possible uses हो सकते हैं. Each quantifier has its own range of uses. Study their use given below. तो हर क्वांटिफायर की अपनी एक रेंज होती है यूज करने, राइट? अलग अलग सिचुएशंस में वो अलग अलग तरीके से यूज किए जा सकते हैं. कुछ यूजेस हमें यहाँ पर कुछ वर्ड्स के दिए हुए हैं. लेट अस रीड देम. few मीनिंग नॉट मैनी. few जिसका मतलब होता है ज्यादा नहीं, राइट? क्वांटिफायर प्लस प्लूरल नाउन. few guests came to the ceremony. Quantifier plus identifier plus plural noun. Few of the guests came to the ceremony. Quantifier plus of plus pronoun. Few of them came to the ceremony. Right? Quantifier alone. Few came to the ceremony. तो इसी तरीके से हमने देखा कि अलग अलग जगह पर अलग अलग प्लूरल नाउन, आइडेंटिफायर्स, प्रोनाउंस या फिर क्वांटिफायर अकेले भी यूज किया जा सकता है, राइट? लेट अस रीड द रेस्ट ऑफ देम वेरी क्विकली. अ फ्यू मीनिंग सेवरल. क्वांटिफायर प्लस प्लूरल नाउन. अ फ्यू गेस्ट्स केम. क्वांटिफायर प्लस आइडेंटिफायर प्लस प्लूरल नाउन. A few of the guests came. Quantifier of pronoun. A few of them came. Quantifier alone. You came. You were. Quantifier plus plural noun. I ate fewer fruits than you. Quantifier plus identifier of plural noun. I ate fewer of the fruit than you. Quantifier plus pronoun. I ate fewer of them than you. Quantifier alone. I ate fewer than you. Next, many. Quantifier plus plural noun. Many verbs are irregular. Quantifier plus identifier plus plural noun. Many of these verbs are irregular. Quantifier plus of plus pronoun. Many of them are irregular. Quantifier alone. Many are irregular. Next, several. Quantifier plus plural noun. Several insects are dangerous. Quantifier plus of plus identifier plus plural noun. That means several of the insects are dangerous. quantifier plus of plus pronoun. Several of them are dangerous. Quantifier alone, several are dangerous. Right? Now, next we have some points to remember. Let us read them. Many is quite often used in general statements. कि many जो है वो general statements में use किया जाता है. जैसे कि many insects have only one pair of wings. There are many various species of birds. But in particular references, we normally use a lot of rather than many. कि many जो है वो हर general statement में use किया जा सकता है. जैसे कि हमने इन 2 statements में देखा. पर particular अगर हम किसी चीज का reference कर रहे हैं, तब हम use करेंगे a lot of instead of many. For example, I have a lot of relatives in Delhi. Right? After that, we have quantifiers used with plural nouns and uncountable nouns. अब ऐसे quantifiers जिन्हें हम use कर सकते हैं plural और uncountable nouns के साथ. They are all drivers must have a license. All the pupils have passed. All of the pupils scored good marks. All of them have passed. All are welcome, right? Next we have enough. I have eaten food. I haven't have eaten enough of that food. I have eaten enough of it. And I have eaten enough. That means this is uncountable noun. Hence we are using enough, right? Moving ahead. A lot of pupils speak Urdu. A lot of pupils speak Urdu. A lot of them speak Urdu. A lot of paper was thrown away. A lot of the paper was thrown away. A lot of it was thrown away. Now they say study the following carefully. अब हमें यहाँ पर कुछ चीजें दी हुई हैं जिन्हें हमें बहुत ध्यान से पढ़ना है. Let's read them. All needs of before a personal pronoun but can come directly before a possessive or demonstrative pronoun. कि अगर हम बात करें all needs of before a personal pronoun, right? तो ये directly एक possessive या फिर demonstrative pronoun कह जा सकता है. जैसे कि all of them have passed. All these have passed, right? उसी के बाद more has 2 meanings. It is the comparative or many and much, right? कि अगर हम बात करें more की तो उसके 2 मतलब होते हैं और ये comparative form है many और much का, right? I have read more stories than you. I have done more work than you. It also means additional, right? More का मतलब additional भी हो सकता है, right? कि इसके साथ मैंने ये भी करा, इस तरीके से. We need more books. Is there more practice to do? After that, most also has 2 meanings. It is superlative of many and much. कि most जो है उसके भी 2 meanings होते हैं और ये superlative forms होती है many और much की, right? We have read most stories. We have done most work. It can also means the majority of, the greater proportion of. Most books are interesting. Most work is a waste of time. Either and neither are often used with singular verbs. अब ये क्या है कि either और neither जो है वो हम singular verbs के साथ use कर सकते हैं. So, we use either if we talk about a choice, that is one or the other. कि हम either use करते हैं जब हमें कोई choice मिली होती है, right? और neither हम use करते हैं we mean not one nor the other. यानी कि हमें इन दोनों ही choices में से कुछ भी नहीं चाहिए, right? I can ride with either hand. Neither of the twins has a driving license. After that, to talk about two things together, we use both. कि दोनों चीजों के बारे में बात करने पे हम both का यूज करते हैं. जैसे कि both twins have brown eyes. Both the cat and the dog belong to Sahil. Right? We use another with singular countable nouns. कि हम another का यूज करते हैं singular countable nouns के साथ. So it says, shall I pass you another slice of bread? There is another red car. Another is also used before the word few or with number. ये another का भी यूज हम few से पहले या फिर number से पहले कर सकते हैं. जैसे कि give me another few seconds. Give me another 5 seconds. Right? Next, we have again some points to remember. Let's read them. So, uncountable nouns are not used with articles a or an. The uncountable nouns जो हैं वो a और an articles के साथ use नहीं किए जा सकते हैं. They may be preceded by quantifiers such as some, any, no or a little. राइट तो ये सभी प्रोसीड किए जा सकते हैं क्वांटिफायर्स से जैसे कि सम, एनी, नो या फिर अ लिटिल. राइट उसी के बाद क्वांटिफायर्स मे कंसिस्ट ऑफ वर्ड्स सच एज. अब क्वांटिफायर्स जो है वो कुछ वर्ड्स को भी कंसिस्ट कर सकते हैं जैसे कि प्लीज गिव मी अ ग्लास ऑफ मिल्क. नेक्स्ट द लास्ट वी हैव इंटेरोगेटिव डिटरमिनर. Now, what are these interrogative determiners? We use the question determiners, what, which, whose before nouns to ask for people and things to be identified. कि जब हम question determiners का use करते हैं noun से पहले तो हम देखते हैं कि हम किस people या फिर thing को identify करना चाहते हैं. That is why they are known as the interrogative determiners. Right? For example, what size of jeans do you wear? What kind of pet is that? Tell me what game you like the most. Which college do you go to? Do you know which bus goes to Delhi? Which book do we need to open? Whose slippers are these? Or whose shirt is hanging there? Right? The determiners what, which and whose are used with both singular and plural nouns. ये जो words हैं ये singular और plural दोनों ही nouns के साथ use किए जा सकते हैं. जैसे कि what time suits you best? Which nail paint matches my dress? What colors are there in the national flag? Which pupils are coming on the tour? Whose work is the neatest? Whose sandals made the most noise? Right? So that was all about the chapter. I hope you all are clear with the determiners as well as its kinds. So that was all from my side. I hope you all gathered a lot of information from here. So thank you so much and have a great day ahead.